What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing a curly hair routine. So if you want to see how I achieved these curls, continue watching. So guys, I'm starting off with, hold on, let me turn my ECO off. Starting off with freshly washed hair. So as you can see, I have my hair wrapped up in a microfiber hair towel, and I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and it's already detangled. So I just like to comb it out. Then what I do is I go in with a leave-in, and the leave-in that I usually use is, it's kind of beat up guys, so it's the Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk by Shea Moisture, the Manuka Honey, and Mafira Oil. And so this one, and it's literally almost gone. It's almost gone. So I apply that to one side, and then I just rake it in. Same thing to the other side. Then I comb through it like so. Oh, that caught on my chin. Then I go with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask, and I just put this on my ends. I just spray it on my ends. Like doing a lot of putting a lot of products on my hair, and then what I do is I usually finger coil the back of my hair and the front of it. And then I also use the Canton Care for Kids Curling Cream, defines and tames fuzzy frizz. Boom. And then I just put a little bit of this. So I put a leave-in and then I put a cream. And I just use this much. I don't use too much. I'm gonna turn this way so I can show you guys. And I'm gonna scrunch. And usually I like to air dry, but if I'm in a rush, I'll just use a diffuser. Use this diffuser. I use a Conair diffuser, and I just put it on the blow dryer, and it works also. So you just want to scrunch. Twist out the ones in the front sometimes, just so they could look more defined. So I just scrunch. I'm gonna do the same to the other side.
And this is my curly hair routine for when I'm in a rush, a quick, I don't want to put too many products. This is what I do. Sometimes I'll go in with a serum, like an oil or something, but I think it's for me to do that.
Today, you can use this routine as a wash and go, or you can use it as a curly hair routine. And to refreshen up your curls, you can use this leave-in mask, the Briogeo. I got this actually in a BoxyCharm box. So yeah. And I just scrunch. And then I wait. So guys, I am back and this is the finished product. As you can see, my hair is very defined. You see no frizz at all. It's big, it's airy. It doesn't feel like there's too much product on my hair. It feels very nice and just ooh. I did diffuse my hair. I didn't air dry. I diffused because I'm actually headed out somewhere, so I did do my makeup off camera also. So guys, if you like this curly hair routine, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. If you guys want me to try out some curly hair products, you can list them down below. And yeah, so guys, this is how I get my hair curly. And if you guys want, y'all don't have to put the part in the middle. You can put the part to the side like this. Or the other way. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to my next video, guys.